couple of hyenas came venturing into wild dog den territory, but they were soon hurriedly escorted out of there. But then they called a truce as more hyena reinforcements arrived. And neither party was really sure of themselves. The hyenas weren't even phased with my vehicle. The hyenas then marched on towards the wild dog den. And obviously tensions were getting high, as the pups were now nowhere to be seen, hopefully having taken refuge in some cavity up in the hills. The hyenas pressed on slowly, and the dogs kept on backing off. The dogs continued on up into the hills, and hopefully now the pups were totally safe, as the dogs had discontinued their aggressive barrage on the hyenas. But this didn't stop the hyenas pressing on further up into the hills in their search for the pups.